You have an error message that you cannot resolve on your own? Then help often only requires one click. 85% of all service cases can be solved via our secure remote service. Just create a service request for any software, mechanical, or electrical challenges. Our experts will contact you directly. Take advantage of our Augmented remote service. Our service technicians support you remotely via live video. Smart glasses enable our specialists to see through your eyes and guide you virtually to the solution. Just follow the instructions step by step. Sharing virtual arrows, lines, and files makes knowledge transfer even easier. Avoid unnecessary waiting times and travel expenses for on-site service. Augmented remote support guides you to solve smaller mechanical and electrical issues directly and expands your knowledge in error identification. This is how you reduce machine downtimes and resume production as soon as possible. Learn more about our Augmented remote service and our other service products on our website or directly from your contact person.